In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule using Asana rules in just 5 minutes. Asana, as you may know, is a popular tool for project management, helping teams organize, manage, and track their work. Today we'll focus on how you can enhance your workflow by creating automation through Asana rules, a feature designed to streamline your processes and keep everything running effortlessly. So let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. Once there, look for the login button to access your dashboard. For those who haven't set up an account yet, don't worry, you can click Get Started or Try for free to create a new account. Now that you're logged in, let's spend a moment understanding what Asana rules are. Essentially, rules in Asana are automated actions that are triggered when specific conditions are met. This feature is particularly helpful for managing tasks, sending notifications, assigning responsibilities, and updating statuses, all without requiring manual intervention. Let's talk about how you can create these rules. You have two options: using the custom rules builder to craft rules that suit your specific needs, or applying handy pre-made rules. Both are valuable tools depending on whether you want to start from scratch or use a ready-made template. Alright, let's get hands-on and create a rule in Asana. First, navigate to the project where you're looking to automate tasks. Open that project and then direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see an option labeled Customize. Click on it. Here, you'll notice a section for rules. Once there, you have the option to create a rule from a set of templates, or if you're feeling creative, build your own. Next, you'll be selecting a trigger. A trigger is essentially an event that will activate your rule. This could be anything from a task being marked as complete to the due date of a task approaching. Once you've chosen a trigger, the next step is to set an action. Think of the action as the output, or what you want to happen once the trigger is activated. For example, you might want to assign the task to someone specific, change the task status, or even move it to another section for further progress. With your trigger and action set, it's time to finalize by saving the rule. Give your rule a descriptive name and click Publish Rule. Now your rule is set up and ready to make your workflow that much easier. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for effective automation. Keep your rules simple at the start to avoid unnecessary complexity. Test your rules on a small batch of tasks before applying them more broadly. Feel free to combine multiple rules for enhanced automation, and importantly, review your rules regularly to adjust or disable any that might no longer suit your process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create powerful automations within Asana, elevating your productivity and leaving you with more time to focus on your most important tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.